Neovim, Episode 7. Plugin Management. Lazy.nvim, Supercharge with Plugins. Here's what we'll cover. Lazy.nvim, Bootstrap snippet, plugin specs, auto install. Essential plugins. Colorscheme, status line, which key, autopairs. Lazy loading, event, command, file type. Fast startup. Let's begin. Our config from episode 6. 3 requires statements. We need a plugin manager. Lazy.nvim is the standard. Leader key moves to init. Must be set before plugins load. Bootstrap clones lazy.nvim on first startup. Prepend adds lazy to the runtime path. Setup scans lua/plugins for spec files. Our existing modules load after plugins. First plugin spec. 1 file per plugin. Each spec returns a table. GitHub repo. Priority 1000 loads Colorscheme first. Config runs after install. This applies the theme. One file per plugin, under lua/plugins. Lualine replaces the status bar with mode, file, and position. Ops empty table, shorthand for require lualine.setup. Which key? Press leader and a pop-up shows available shortcuts. Event very lazy. Loads after startup for faster boot. Autopairs. Type an open bracket, the close bracket appears. Insert enter. Only loads when you start typing. Comment.nvim. Toggle comments with GCC. Indent guides. Vertical lines show nesting depth. Main equals IBL tells lazy which module to call setup on. Specs. Lazy loads each one automatically. All plugins loaded. Let us see each one in action. Catppuccin Mocha theme. Syntax highlighting for Python. Lualine shows the current mode, file name, and position. Indent guides. Vertical lines mark each nesting level. Source are key maps so which key can discover them. Press leader. Which key shows all available shortcuts? Open bracket auto closes. Same for quotes. GCC toggles a comment. Watch the hash appear. GCC again removes it. Works on any language. Lazy opens the plugin manager. Update and manage here. Let us recap 5 key takeaways. First, lazy.nvim bootstraps itself. One snippet in init.lua. Second, each plugin gets its own spec file under lua/plugins. Third, ops empty table is shorthand for require plugin.setup. Fourth, event, keys, and file type control when plugins load. Fifth, lazy manages updates, profiles, and health checks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Neovim tutorials.